Here's the About Me page of a former student, and you can see that her image here of herself on her About Me page is a circle, and it has this nice little space between the image and the border. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So that's called padding. Between the border and the image is called padding, the space there. Then the outer edge is called the border itself. So let's deal with that. So we know how to make a square image. So let's see. Let's go to our pages, all pages, and let's practice making a circular image from a square one. So let's take this and let's crop it, right? So let's take it and now let's crop it. And remember, we're going to choose this thing here and make it a square, right? And zoom into what we want. Right, and maybe move the picture around, hit return, or actually hit apply. So now it's a square. And then if we go over here and we go to our blocks, our block, and make it rounded, now it's a perfect circle. So now we need to add the border around it, but there's no option here to do it, even under advanced. There's nowhere to do that here. So we have to do that in a special way. So make sure you update your page and then switch to the dashboard and go to Tools, Scripts and Styles one more time. So we're going to create a special rule, special style for it. So go to our CSS style section. I'm going to zoom in so you can see it better. CSS styles, and then scroll down all the way down to the bottom. Put your cursor at the end of the last line, hit return to create a new line. On the new line, type this out. Start with a period, and then you're going to do border dash with padding, like that. Border dash with dash padding. Space, left curly bracket, hit return a couple times, and right curly bracket, and then go up one line. Now on the blank line there, what you're going to type out is this. You're going to say the border colon space is going to be let's just say 2 pixels. 2 pixels is pretty thin. 2 pixels space hashtag 000, so 000 is pure black, space solid, semicolon on the end, hit return, then the word padding, colon, space, and let's just say just to make it too much, let's do 10 pixels. You'll come back and you'll see that it's probably too much, but we can change that. Okay, so before you leave, copy this part, but not the period. Don't copy the period, just the name of it, right? So copy that because you're going to paste it later on. Scroll all the way down, save changes. Now go back to your pages, all pages, and click and edit the practice images. All right. So this guy here, you're going to click on the image that you want to do this to, and then you're going to go up here and 3 little dots and click on Edit as HTML. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in so you can see this better. So the code here, there's a bunch of junk code here, but somewhere in here there is an IMG, so that means the image, the source, right? Where to find the image, the alt tag, and then a class. It probably has a WP image, some number for you. It doesn't. Your number is different than mine probably. But right in here, this class, somewhere after the alt tag, you're gonna put your cursor right in front, right after the double quote, and then paste border with padding, and then put a space right there. Okay, just put a space. Okay. So now you're going to update the page. update the page, and then you're going to go to your page here, Command Shift R, and there you go. You now have a circle with some padding. It might be a little too far, too close. I don't know, you can change it. So let's go mess with that. So we're going to go back to our dashboard here, Tools, Scripts and Styles. Some options for you. You can make the border fatter. So let's make it an extreme. How about like 20 pixels? And if you want to change the color of it, so check it out. The way you can change the color is you can go to, let's go to a new page and go to color.adobe.com. When you get the color, close that. You get this color wheel here. What you do is you pick one of the, you take this and you pick a color that you want. Okay, so let's say you like this color, and you can choose any kinds of these choices over here, monochromatic, analogous, whatever. So in other words, if you're poor at making good choices with colors, color.adobe.com will help you find good colors. Anyway, the point is, once you find a color, get this hexadecimal code right here. So copy that. Now go back to your website, and instead of this hashtag 000 right here, paste that in. You need to include the hashtag though. Now you don't have to be a solid. It could be dashed, for example. And then the padding could be, smaller, like say 5. All right. So then don't forget to scroll down, save changes, go back to your page, and refresh. Command R. Command Shift R. There you go. Command Shift R. So there is a fat 10 pixel border dashed with a little bit of padding of 5 pixels. Not good. So don't do what I did, but you can decide what you want to do. I think solid looks great. This is probably like a 2 pixel with 2 pixel border black with a 5 pixel padding. Nice and classy.